Welcome everyone, TheDailyWoo here. As the recording of this Sunday, April 7th, 2024. Don't be confused. It is me, even though I'm in disguise. I have kind of Cousin Eddie cap on right here. I'm staying with my friend Jim, who's working on his little buggy over here. The backside of Jim. What happened last night?
What happened? We had a heck of a windstorm, and we've lost power all night. So now we're in the dark in the neighborhood.
We're in the dark. We're gonna head out, see some storm damage.
Yeah.
Hurricane force winds last night here in the greater Denver area. And our bright idea is to take a topless, windowless vehicle out into the elements.
We'll call it the wind buggy.
I like that.
Yeah. But we're stuck in the garage. No power, no garage door, so we're gonna have to manually get out of here.
Manually open the garage. I need to find some coffee. There's no piping hot caffeinated beverage when there's no power. But hearing things around this area, there's not a lot of power, so it might make it interesting. See how the day goes. Join me.
Shall you?
That was a nice little back out there. That was very cinematic. So this will be the vehicle we're going to be taking out and about. This little doom buggy right here. Wind buggy today, Jim has deemed it. And the reason I had so much light on my face is because out the garage windows over there, the sun is beaming in. And it is probably going to be very, very cold outside. I even have some gloves that I could, fingerless gloves that I could fold the little thing over. Keep my hands warm too. Well, you can hear that wind blowing. Car right underneath there. All right, found the Circle K a ways away that had some power, so we're going to be heading up, planning on going up towards Red Rocks, towards the town through there. We weren't sure if they were going to have power, so found a Circle K that indeed does have some. So pumping in an extra large piping hot caffeinated beverage because it's a little toasty out there. A little warm, stay caffeinated. Oh yeah, this thing is definitely toasty. Out here in the nice cool breeze that feels like ice. Hot. Cold weather. Well, windy, chilly weather. Wind chill weather. Not really that cold, just the wind chill is cold. Alright, the good thing is, the power line, what's the word I'm thinking of? The street lights are not out yet.
Traffic lights.
Traffic lights, street lights had power.
Still working, knock on wood.
We're heading up to Red Rocks where last night they had a concert that got canceled. Tonight, the one that was there tonight has been postponed. I'm yelling because I don't know if you can hear me in the wind. The wind chill. A little brisk.
Oh man, it's brisk. I'll tell you right now, it's 45. We're going 55 in a 60 mile an hour wind. So add all that up, it's cold.
I'm not good at math. Also, hundreds of flights yesterday at the Denver airport didn't happen. And today as well. So I'm just here. I'm not going anywhere.
How about the Rockies? Are they playing?
The Rockies and Rays played last night in the wind.
Who won?
The Rays won last night. The game we went to 2 days ago.
Yeah.
The Rockies came back to win. Yeah, they won. The Rays won last night. And I believe they're playing today in this mess. Cold.
That ball is going to sail or it's going to get held up.
It's cold right now, coming to this side. I'm going to keep saying that the whole day.
But you're in layers. You dress in layers. That's the key in Colorado. You got to dress in layers.
That's the key.
You can strip them off as it warms up, but that's the tip.
All right, rolling through the town of historic Morrison. Which, if I remember correctly, it's either Trey or Matt, creators of South Park, is from here. I think it might be Trey. One of the two. It might be Matt. It's either Matt. It might be Matt. Nonetheless, it is not a beehive of activity down here right now. Traffic lights are out.
Traffic lights. There's no power in this town.
Probably a good thing we got coffee back at the Circle K.
I just rolled through a trap. I don't know.
You just rolled through. Well, there's no one here.
I considered that green.
Look at this. The cow and eatery is closed.
It's gone.
Is it closed? It's just closed. I ate there.
Yeah, we did.
Last time I was out here. This is Mill Street. Should we just jump out? Let's jump out and peruse around.
Yeah, might as well.
I could warm up a little bit too. That breeze got me.
Yeah. Red Rocks is right here, right on the outskirts of Morrison.
Feel like Dumb and Dumber with the gloves. Are you dumb or are you dumber?
Hey. I'll just go with
You're dumb, I'm dumber.
There you go.
Also, which one? Jim Carrey or Jeff Daniels? Which one was dumb and which one was dumber? You mean you've had two pairs of gloves this whole time?
Yeah, we're in the Rockies.
I can actually say that because we're in the Rockies.
Right there they are. We're in the Rockies.
My hands are numb.
Look at the lady up top.
Oh, my lips are numb. Yeah. Got the ladies up here. She's like pulling her stockings up, being a little flirtatious out the window. There's no power in this town. Here in Morrison. Get your $2 bills here. Look at that. I have a $2 bill in my fridge. I keep it on a magnet there. I mean, they're not super uncommon. You can still get them.
Yeah.
But I mean, I guess
they're weird to see in the wild.
They are. Oh, that sign got shredded over there. A little mural over here too, painted on the side. You can see this almost looks like a ghost peeping through there. You can barely see it. And this guy looks like he's seen a ghost. Look at those eyes. So you're suggesting I don't touch anything metal?
Well, power pole down on a metal railing.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Good call.
Look at that stream.
I'm sure that's it. Don't get too close to it, man.
Nope.
Seen a lot of downed trees on the way up here too, through town.
A lot of pine trees. They took the brunt of the wind. Other trees don't have leaves yet.
That's a good point. Most of the trees that have fallen are the ones that have the most leaves on them, because it kind of acts as a, what did I call it? A kite.
What's that?
It almost acts like a kite.
Oh yeah. It's just a lot of surface area for that wind to grab.
So usually these trees stay pretty solid.
Yeah.
Couple dogs over here. Oh, there's the owner over there. So I've been through this area a few times, and I've never seen this few amount of people through here. It is like a little small town, but it's usually very, very, very busy because everyone's going to Red Rocks to concerts and things like that. It's just empty. It's empty through here. Another mural over there with some dinosaurs on it because the dinosaur park close to here.
Look at all the Red Rocks artists.
Let's walk over there.
Yeah.
A little glare on the window there. You see the Morrison Inn, 1979. You got Red Rocks there. Take a look. Here at the awning has been just shredded, annihilated. Obviously, you can't have the businesses open if there's no power. That's a great old classic truck going by. Yeah, I keep forgetting the lights out. I was waiting for the light to change so we could walk across. Man, look at this tree. That thing's standing strong. Yeah, if this thing was full of leaves, it might have had a different ending.
Yep.
Lariat Loop. I've always wanted to walk through this town when it's empty like this, but it's always so busy, you really miss a lot of the vibe of it because there's just always so many people through here. Statue of Liberty up here. Also, as we were making the commute over here, we noticed a lot of crews were out cleaning up down trees. We saw, and then a lot of people in the different neighborhoods were all helping each other, cutting the trees down and removing the trees from the roads, but they were on it this morning. So a lot of the fallen trees across the roads have already been removed very quickly. Closed due to power outage. Got the sign here designating it. There's the Hungry Goat over there. Scratch Kitchen. I've noticed more in this town and today than ever driving through here the past 5 times when it's busy.
I have too. I have never seen this town so empty.
It's kind of trippy, right? Like the Twilight Zone.
It's a little scary.
There's a lot of traffic though. Just no people. He's on a sleigh right here. In a tub. Old church house. Farmhouse kitchen right here. So there's paid parking here in town. So take a look, paid parking. Quaint little town like, usually quaint little towns like this do not have paid parking. But again, it's just very, very busy because this is the last town before you get into Red Rocks Amphitheatre. No water on the little waterfall area there, but there's the Hungry Goat right there. It's very hungry goat. That's his name, the Hungry Goat. West Metro. Is that where we're at? Evidently. Is this the area known as West Metro?
Yeah.
That thing's circling.
Yeah, he is. Wonder what he's looking at.
Yeah, it's circling.
Red Rocks. He's going over Red Rocks.
We should be able to get up there, right? They'll let us up there.
Yeah, we're going to drive up there. You're not going to say it?
To Red Rocks?
From about the helicopter. Just say it. You know you want to.
That's right. Come on. Get to the chopper. It's hard to do it. My lips are numb. That's right. Come on. Come on, do it. Come on. Come on, dude. Get to the chopper. And the fence has been blown over down there. And that's not the only damage. We also have a pig down.
Ooh.
There's a pig down. It's fallen over. You ever been cow tipping before? Ozzy's Ice Cream. Probably not going to sell a lot of ice cream today. A little chilly. Possibly an old gas station of sorts. You think that's where the gas pumps were? Probably right there, right?
Yeah, there's one there.
Was it an old gas station back in the day?
Back in the day.
Yeah, so I guess that was where the gas pumps were, right there, huh?
That's right.
It's pretty neat. Just soak this in since you're a local. Look at this, how empty this freaking road is.
There's a power truck right there.
Now I know anyone that's never been through here would go, oh, that looks like a continuous stream of traffic. But this thing is bumper to bumper all the time. Here's the power, folks. They're coming in. Coming to turn the power back on. Ward Electric Company. Ah, there's a nice little scenic view. Look at that, the church right there in the middle. Power outages. A little wind-blown look up there. There's that awning. Now, as far as damage goes, not really a whole lot of damage here. On the way up here, we saw a little bit more than this. You just looked up the power outages. How many power outages just in this area alone?
38,000 it said. In this little area. But it's preemptive outage. They don't want any wildfires to start, so they killed the power.
Gas station. What if the gas station's probably closed too? Lariat Loop, scenic byway. You're pulling my lariat. Blazing Saddles. Don't hurt yourself. We have a paper machine down. The Canyon Courier. Yeah, just this angle is a photographer's dream. There's no way any other time you could stand here and get this scenic mountain range with no cars and these old buildings on either directions. How long would it take normally to go from that light there to that light there?
On a concert night, 10 minutes.
10 minutes, traffic.
And that's only 500 yards.
Look at this, you have your car, your little buggy's all by itself. Anyway, I think I've drilled that into the consciousness enough now. It's empty here. Now, Red Rocks has a deep-rooted concert history. Constant amount of shows happening there for decades and decades. Got the dinosaurs over here. You got the little stable, the old Western train going through. Guy finding the dinosaur bone. Jerry Garcia there in the middle. Hendrix, Santana, Bono, Willie Nelson, John Denver. Not sure who the three ladies in the middle there are. Guy riding the bike. Look at this. Morrison's Main Street has changed, but still reflects the character of the Old West. I think I just channeled Justin Scard there for a minute with the Old West. Now Justin does the Old West. The Old West. Ah, here we go. Bonnie Raitt, Ella Fitzgerald, and Judy Collins. Those were the ladies I did not know the names of. Got all the other ones.
Here, let me put this back up for him.
What is this bench from?
Red Rocks, when they redid the benches, people could buy the wood.
So those were the seats that used to be there?
Yeah.
There's not backings at Red Rocks anymore,
No,
right?
this bench isn't there, just the wood, I'm saying. Somebody's probably repurposed this and built the bench.
Okay.
There's never backs, because you walk behind everybody's back.
Yeah.
But that was the seat number. I'm guessing.
Yeah, row 18. Seat 9, 10, 11, yeah. Oh, here we go.
Oh,
Right here.
well, maybe scratch everything I just said.
Steel frame from this bench is the WPA camps located in Morrison in the 30s. Still pretty cool. Oh, here we go. The wood seating is from Red Rocks Amphitheatre, originally installed in the 50s. You got it.
You got it. Here it is.
Made from old growth clear heart redwood.
I've never noticed up at Red Rocks the horseshoes back in then, you know. There's horseshoes branded into all over.
That's neat. I love when there's like a nice little placard there. You can always get a little info. The world needs more placards.
Yep.
Or plaques. I like placard better. Ah, I love this area. A lot of cars here parked. Oh, you can't even drive up there.
Not that way.
We're gonna have to walk it. Look at this. Red Rocks is closed. Okay. Have you ever seen this before?
No. Never.
How far of a walk would it be if we walked it up to the steps?
Long way.
Long way?
Long way.
Okay. Might not be going there then.
We'll try something. We'll try the back door.
So you're just seeing stuff you don't usually see either.
I'm just wondering why it would be closed. I mean, power's out, obviously, but
Maybe there was some damage up there. But people are hiking out there, so
yeah,
there's a
it's
walking
closed for
path.
cars. It's not closed for people.
I knew something was up when I saw all these cars here. Because usually there's not cars parked here.
Never. Bottlenecking.
through Morrison. Gonna try a different way. Light's still out. More times than not, I've not been able to get inside of the amphitheater at Bedrocks. There's usually a concert happening. I think I've only been on the steps maybe once. One time, and I've been up there like 5 times. So I have like a little trend going. I love going up here in the wind buggy, the doom buggy, because I feel like this is real life Radiator Springs racers. Slow down, you're not racing yet. So it has that same vibe.
If you want to see why we keep saying Radiator Springs, show them that, Adam. Look at Red Rocks from this angle. Look at that. Cool. Getting a little clearer in here.
It's so beautiful, man. So awesome. And these are lights for the parking for the concerts. They have all blown over. And those things are not
Those
light.
broke. I thought they might have laid them down. They, look at the glass.
Those are heavy too. All of them. There's like a bunch of them out here. Watch out for this power. Watch out for this power cord right here.
Ooh, good call. Look at the diesel fuel leaking out of that.
Yeah, don't get. Let's not go under that. I don't want to. Let's go around that. They're all tipped over, man. Yeah, from a distance when you first pointed them out, I thought, like you said, that maybe they came and laid them down, but they all blew over. There's one there, there's one there, there's another one over there, there's like 5 more out there. This is like the lighting for the parking. We got some snow still up on the peaks. Like I'm catching a lot of first moments. You've never driven this off-road before. Woo! Ka-chow! A little uneven ground.
All of them have fallen.
Dinosaur Ridge Discovery Center. They're not open today either.
Brontosaurus.
Oh yeah, look right there.
See him looking at us?
Yeah. How you doing, Dino? How you doing? The ultimate vehicle to take on this road. It just makes sense. Just fits right in. Alright, it looks like this entrance also is blocked. Everyone honks at you, man. It's a little... Everyone loves this car.
Smiles for miles is the old Dune Buggy slogan.
Smiles for miles. Everyone's got a hike up there.
Yeah, that's a long hike.
All right, so this is usually the road you drive up to. Now, again, there are a lot of people out here hiking, so we're just gonna see what we can see. Playing it all by ear. This is a playing it by ear day. To be honest, I have no idea what that expression means or came from. It always reminds me of like Vasquez Rocks a little bit. Oh, there's a truck coming out. Probably a worker, maybe?
I don't know.
Maybe they've opened the road. Probably not, it's just one truck. Good thing about...
Blown over.
What happened?
The two are blown over.
Oh, the porta potties blew over there.
Hi.
So it's also nice when the roads are closed because you don't have to worry about any traffic. You can walk right down the middle of the road. Yeah, the porta potties over there completely over.
Might want to hold that porta potty up for you.
One of them's still standing. I might utilize it. What does it blow over while I'm in it? Yeah, I was in there. I thought that thing was going to tip over. That wind gust came through.
There you go. I got it ready for you.
Yeah. These honey buckets did not last the eve or the day. That wind's hitting and that door's like shaking in there. So there's only 2 still standing, and these 2 are kind of blown over, which probably not a pleasant sight. All the, yeah, everything kind of, yeah, you don't want to talk about it? You don't want to think about it? All right. Well, just think about it. So you got an entrance to the right. So you're suggesting going down a little further?
A little further because the stairs from the stage comes down to this road. There will be a lot of stairs we got to climb, but if we take that staircase, we'll pop out right at the stage. We can get on the stage and walk around.
Okay, right in the distance down there is the trading post. Most likely not open. They have the road blocked down there too. There's no sense in having it open when the amphitheater, or at least the roads are closed. The amphitheater's open for hiking, but. And then there's some shuttle buses, which are not being utilized, obviously, because they're not shuttling anyone. And we're going to take this staircase, hike up. Red Rocks Amphitheater's happening. Get that cardio in. Get them steps.
I bet there's folks working out up here. We'll see.
We also brought, so I had finished my coffee, we brought extra water. I've learned, I'm not an expert like you are when it comes to elevation, but you need to stay hydrated.
Well, you got to stay hydrated because it's so dry up here, you know. We're basically a high desert, so a lot of folks come into town and they don't stay hydrated. They get dehydrated, they get headaches, nausea. It just helps.
The more water you drink, the less the elevation will affect you.
There's a good way to think of it.
Stay hydrated. Tied down all those. This one did not make it. Plummeted down. Mile High City. And going higher. Really quite an impressive view back here. This would be the backstage when all the artists are here. They got all their equipment looking out at the crowd that would be right up there. And again, pretty much anyone and everyone that you've heard of has probably played here. All right, way at the top. So Jim has walked all the, whoa, we got some wind blowing. So Jim has walked all the way up there. And once he is ready, he's gonna yell down. I'm gonna see if I can hear. Let me zoom in on him. Can you hear me? Just too many people talking. Talk louder. He needs to talk louder. This person behind me's got their music playing. Hello! There it is. That's how you do it. Hello! He heard me. He heard me up there. Hello! This is the entertainment, folks. Yeah, this was a good call. Doing the little short hike over here. And definitely getting the steps in. I'm gonna walk up these. Very, very nice. Continuing up. Now, I've never seen a concert here. One day. Maybe one day I'll come back and see a concert. Sun's coming out. Got the glasses on now. I will say, you can definitely, oh, even me, I'm talking like this, I can hear myself better. Wow. Definitely a noticeable difference when you're walking up this many steps in this elevation for if I walk this many steps in Florida. You can feel it a lot more. Yeah. But look, over there's downtown Denver. What a view.
It's a beautiful view.
That is so cool.
There's not a bad seat in this venue. Even the top row is perfect. See, he's checking out the acoustics right there. Oh, hi, honey.
Did you hear? Yeah.
You just said it.
Zooming in on downtown.
You know how many seats there are? There's 120 seats. I don't know.
We were talking about the Rays game yesterday. against the Rockies. We went the day before on opening day when the weather was good. We met a couple. They were wearing some Rays caps on the way down, and they said they went to the game yesterday and they left in like the 6th or 7th inning. It was just so brutal. So windy and cold. They did not see the Rays come back to win it. Woo, it's gusty. Look at that skyline, that's awesome. So if I can talk to them on the stage, you think they could hear me?
You would have to yell, they could talk. Their voice is being bounced up here between these things.
Yeah, they're getting the group photo. Can you hear me on the stage? Nope. Up by somebody. Oh, no, there we go. Can you hear me? Yes.
Hi.
This is called entertainment when the power's out. Construction down there. This chair's falling over. That one broke.
Yeah.
This whole thing tipped over. Wow. Look at that. Holy cow, man.
There's Gatorade or bottles under there and stuff.
Probably a lot of broken bottles, alcohol bottles. So according to this little dial here, this is Creation Rock. A little bit of wind. Some deer over there. Beautiful. That is so awesome. Holy goodness, it is picking up now. Look at that. A couple dozen. Okay, I got a few more porta potties down. This hit all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It looks like the other 2 are standing, but 5 of them toppled. Got the snow plows ready for action. You never know what could happen around here. In fact, a couple days before I got here, it was snowing.
It was.
And then it was 70 degrees when I got here. And now it's windy, you got snow, ice, good weather, and now hurricane force winds. Hasn't been too bad since we've been out and about, but last night, boy, it was whipping around. The tunnel, the cave. It is nice walking through this without cars.
And wind.
Because a lot of times you try to go... Hello!
Hello!
Usually you can't walk through this without a car coming by. You have to like move over. You just walk through the cave.
I feel like Batman.
This is kind of like the Bat Cave in Belmar Park. This is a windless corridor that we found a spot where the wind is obstructed from all angles.
There's no wind right now.
Not in this spot. Right through the cave. No cars, plenty of parking spots.
You just can't get here.
That's true, you gotta hike it. A lot of people hiking.
There's the bat.
Okay, the wind's back. Spoke too soon. Alright, this truck right here came blazing by. It didn't even give us a little honkage or nothing.
He's gonna try to go around this gate. Watch this.
Like he came up beside us, like stealth mode. Zip by. He's gonna try to go around it. I think he is.
Enough room for himself to get her.
He's got it figured out.
Oh, he's gonna hit that pole. He just went into that pole. Oh.
He's done that before. He's got it figured out. There he goes. Boondocking at its finest. A little bit of an aroma coming out of the side of that window. I can smell. It is Colorado.
There you go. Half his car is left on the pole.
All right, leaving Red Rocks. Very successful time up there. That was a good time. Worked out well. See you later. Till next time, Red Rocks. Till next time. Curious to see if the gas station outside was all the power and Morrison's still off. See if there's power here, maybe.
No.
Nah, I don't see any power. Watch out for these cars. Oh man, they were pulling right out. Rocky. They're not open?
Closed, no power. This guy's gonna get gas with no power? It's not big gas. Is there power in there, bro? Yo.
He's got his headphones on.
Is there power?
What's that?
There's no power here.
There's no power here?
That's why this place is closed. The wind knocked the whole town out.
Nice.
Check it. I'm checking it for yourself, but I don't think so.
All right, this is Bandimere Speedway, which you're saying it closed?
This was the last year. They've been open for, I don't know, 60 years or something.
So they're gonna tear all this out.
I believe it's going to be redeveloped. But boy, this is your chance to document this. Look at that. That's the drag strip. Starts down here and end down there. We'll go a little farther, see what we can see.
Look at that old truck. Look at that container blew over. Bandimere Speedway. Those benches blew over.
I ran the buggy down the drag strip one day.
Did you?
Yeah. I raced the VW bus.
I don't wonder if there's anybody even here.
Wouldn't it be fun to go down the drag strip right there?
They got it blocked off with cars.
Yeah, we can't get there, can we?
It's like a porta potty's been careened in the side of that truck right there. Gotta be somebody here. If we see somebody, we could ask. I don't see nobody. Snow plows. There's no porta potties there. There used to be a line of porta potties, and now because of the wind, the porta potties have now blown up against the side of that hill. And then obviously they can't go up the hill, but they were all lined up over here.
They must have slid across.
Slid all the way across. All right, we drove up and around looking down the strip from the other side. Pretty neat. Yeah, you never know, this is probably gonna get torn down if they closed it. Condos and shopping center here. All right, heading out. Reality ahead. Things may appear less thrilling from this point. Thanks for coming. All right, ended up over here at Belmar Park. A lot of historical buildings that have been relocated over here. Always a really nice little area. Again, very gusty. The Estes Motel was moved here. The old diner, they are in the process of fixing up. Obviously the scrim around it and everything is falling over because of the wind. But old diner here. It's just neat how they brought all these over here to save them.
Yeah.
That scarecrow weathered the storm over there. Holding strong. It's also interesting to get that kind of wind without any rain, without any thunder, without any snow or hail or anything. Just wind. This is like my favorite one, this little house right here. Just love it. Look at this, look at this. Awesome. Like the windmill back there is not even moving with the strongest wind you could possibly have. The windmill's just holding strong. Yeah, see how there's no leaves on these trees, so the wind just goes right through them. It doesn't uproot it. All right, that's gonna do it for today. Very, very windy, greater Denver area to Red Rocks. Felt the breeze. Did a little hiking. See you in the next video, the vlog. Thanks for watching. It's over.